Welcome to this 15-minute standing yoga practice. As always, you can do it without a yoga mat. Just take off your shoes if you can and make sure you're standing on a surface where your feet won't slide in standing poses. Let's begin standing with feet around hip distance apart. Position your feet parallel to each other, toes pointing forward. Stand up nice and tall, roll your shoulders back and down away from the ears. Lower your chin down to the chest and circle your head from one shoulder to another, making half circles with your neck. Slow and gentle, warming up and stretching the muscles around your shoulders and neck. Bring your head back to center. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder and then left ear to the left shoulder, moving the head side to side, stretching the sides of the neck. Keep your shoulders down and away from the ears as you do this move. Bring your head back to center, palms together to your heart. Inhale, sweep your arms out to the sides, reach them up, look up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. 2 more times like this. Inhale, reach your arms out and up, stretch up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. 1 more time, inhale, big stretch. And exhale, palms together to your heart. Interlace your fingers, turn your palms to face away from you. Inhale, lift your arms up to the sky. Exhale, side bend to the right. With inhale, come back to center. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale, back to center, press your palms up. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale in center. Exhale to the left. 1 more round. Inhale. Exhale to the side. Inhale in center. Exhale, side stretch. And then release your hands, bring your arms in line with the shoulders and roll your wrists out, moving a few times in one direction and then into another direction. Place your fingertips on top of your shoulders. Inhale, lift your elbows forward and up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, lift the elbows up. And exhale, release them back and down. Repeat a few more times, making big shoulder circles. Connect the movement with the breath. On the inhale, lifting up the elbows, opening the chest. And exhale, release them back down. Release your arms, place your hands to the hips and shift weight into your left foot. Lift your right leg up and begin to circle the hip out. Try to hold your balance on one leg, but feel free to use support of the wall or chair if you need it. Now bring your knee closer to the chest, hold your right knee with your hands and circle your ankle out. A few times in one direction and then another. Maybe flex and point your foot if that feels nice. Release your right foot down, shift weight into this foot and begin to circle your left hip out. Try to focus your gaze on something down on the floor or in front of you. This helps with the balance. Draw your left knee towards the chest, hold it with your hands and roll your ankle out. And maybe flex and point if you like. Release your foot down and take your feet out wide, parallel to each other. With inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, bend forward from the hips, bring your fingertips down to the mat. Bend one knee and then another, moving like this side to side a couple of times, straightening and bending one leg at a time. And then straighten both legs and stay still in this standing forward bend. Let your upper body hang heavy, shoulders, neck, head relaxed. Maybe you stay on your fingertips, maybe you place your palms down or even bend your elbows to go a little deeper into stretch. Find what feels nice in your body and just breathe there. Slow deep breaths in and out through the nose. With your next breath, slowly roll up to standing. Turn your right foot out. Bend the knee above the ankle, adjust the distance between your feet if you need to. And for side angle pose, bring your right elbow to your thigh and reach your left arm up and over the head. You can look up for a bit more challenge or look down for more stability in this pose. Now bring your left hand behind your lower back. Straighten your right leg, position your right hand on your shin. Roll your left shoulder slightly more back and look up to the ceiling. Triangle pose variation. Take one more big breath in this pose. And bend your right knee again, reach your right arm up and back over the head, reverse warrior pose. One more breath here, bend your right knee a little bit more. And then straighten the legs, release your arms, bring your feet parallel to each other again. Inhale, reach arms up, look up. Exhale, dive down into forward bend. Just 2-3 breaths here. Notice how your right leg feels compared to your left leg. Slowly raise up to standing again. Turn your left foot out, bend the knee above the ankle, adjust your stance if you need to. Left forearm down on the thigh and right arm reaches up and over the head. Find a point to focus, up on the ceiling or down on the mat, on the floor. And for triangle pose variation, bring your right hand behind your lower back, straighten your left leg, roll your top shoulder a little more back, opening the chest over the ceiling. Bend your left knee again, reach your left arm up and back. Reverse warrior pose. Bend your left knee a little bit more for one more breath. And then release. Straighten your legs, position them parallel to each other again. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Bring your palms or fingertips closer to each other underneath your face. With inhale, reach your right arm up, look up, twist. Exhale, bring your hand down to the mat. Inhale, left arm up, look up. Exhale, release it down. 2 more rounds like this, just keep moving with your breath. On the inhale, reaching the arm up, twisting in the upper back. With exhale, coming back down. One more round here. And as you finish, walk your feet closer towards each other, around hip distance apart, toes turned out slightly, bend the knees and sit your hips low into squat. You can keep your hands on the floor for support or bring your palms together to your heart and press your knees out with your elbows. Stay in here for a few breaths. Think of lifting your heart up towards your thumb, lengthening the spine from the lower back up to the crown of the head. One more deep breath in, full breath out. Release your arms, straighten the legs, coming up to standing. Find a comfortable standing position with feet parallel around hip distance apart. And let's finish this practice with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Close your eyes for a moment and think about something that you are grateful for today. Without overthinking, just the first thing that comes to your mind, however big or small it is. Put a big smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me today. Hope you enjoyed and hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye!